Welcome to your second set of derivative rules. These rules will be shown in flashcard style so that you may study from them and/or write them down so that you have your own set of rules to reference when solving derivative problems. Let's get started. The product rule. If you have a function f of x equals g of x times h of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals g prime of x times h of x plus g of x times h prime of x. In other words, if you have a function that equals two other functions multiplying each other, for example, sine of x times cosine of x, that can be broken up into sine of x as one function and cosine of x as the other. This means that you can find the derivative of just sine of x and the derivative of just cosine of x independently, and then plug in the values into the f prime derivative equation. You can remember this rule as being the derivative of the first function times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function. The quotient rule. If you have a function f of x equals g of x divided by h of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals g prime of x times h of x minus g of x times h prime of x, all divided by the square of h of x. The chain rule. If you have a composite function, f of x equals g of h of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals g prime of h of x times h prime of x. This rule indicates that when you have a composite function, the derivative is the derivative of the outside function with the original inside function multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. This rule may also be written in the alternative dy over du times du over dx notation, as will be discussed later in this video series. Alright you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more. If you want more videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you want to connect with us, please leave a comment below and try to reach out to us on our social media pages linked in the description. Thanks and happy studying.